Hello, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Josh will be here too, and today we're going to be doing some stuff on the Yanmar. Mainly, we're going to grease, we're going to check fluids, and I think we're going to try to get the chains up. All right, so let's do this. All right, so this is our new grease gun. It's the Rex Betty. It's a better one than we had before. All right, so we got our grease cap off. Top. Now, this side goes down, top side goes up. Put it, insert. It's tight. Now we can see coming out on the other side. Here. So you know that one is greased. All right, same thing. All right, it's coming out on that one. For it. You can see there. See how it's just coming out. Give it one more squeeze. So now you need to take this out. Great to see it. So, nope. So go ahead and take the cap out, or the nozzle out. All right, and then you want to do the same thing to the other side. All right, see the grease coming out?
Yeah.
That's done. All right. You can come and pull that lever over. So, what we want to check here is the antifreeze. That looks good. Battery looks good. You want to pull the screen on the radiator. Yep. That looks good.
Pull it back.
Yep.
That green work right?
Here is the dipstick. I can't see the hole. All right. That's fine. It's getting close to being low. And it's a little darker than
Can you want
it
more?
was last time I checked it. Last fall. I know. I know. Now we want to close the hood. Remember what I said about closing the hood?
Gentle.
Yep. Because it will want to fall.